my friends. I am Arthur. When I opened my first investment account at age 22, I put $300 into it and thought I was a genius. The next morning when I checked my account, what I saw was a 47-cent increase. Yes, you heard right, 47 cents. And at that moment, I thought I could find more loose change under my couch cushions. But I kept going anyway, because everyone told me I had to. After 6 months, I had saved about $1,800, and the market had given me maybe $60. At the end of 1 year, my balance was about $3,700, and my total gain was maybe $150. The reward for a whole year of investing was only $150. I could have earned that working a weekend at a coffee shop. And I thought exactly what you are thinking right now. This cannot be the thing that makes people millionaires. The people who talk about compound interest are either lying or were already rich. This sentence was engraved in my mind. The first thing you need to know about compound interest is that it is not lying to you, but it tells the truth in such a way that it almost feels like an insult when they say your money grows exponentially over time. That is technically true, but no one tells you that exponential growth has a very, very long, very boring beginning. Let's say you invest $500 a month into an index fund. At the end of 1 year, you will have contributed $6,000 and your balance will be about $6,300, meaning the market has given you roughly $300. At the end of 5 years, you will have contributed $30,000 and your balance will be about $39,000, meaning you have gained $9,000. This is exactly the point where most people give up because the first few years feel like shoveling sand into the ocean. But here is what no one tells you. Compound interest is not linear. It moves in an almost straight line for years, and then, at some point, it shoots up so fast that it genuinely shocks you. That point is $100,000. If you have $100,000 and the market returns 10% in a year, you earn $10,000 without adding a single cent, which is $833 a month in passive income, meaning your money is now earning almost twice as much as you are contributing. Think about the difference between the $25 a month the market gave you when you had a $6,000 account and the $833 a month you earn when you have a $100,000 account. The same market, the same percentage. But because the base is large enough, the percentage produces a meaningful number. Let me give you an example. Imagine a woman who starts investing $500 a month at age 25. At age 30, after 5 years, she has about $39,000, and the market's contribution is only $9,000. At age 35, after 10 years, she has about $104,000 and has crossed the threshold. At age 40, after 15 years, she has about $208,000, and the market gains of $118,000 have surpassed her contributions. At age 45, after 20 years, her balance is about $380,000, and the market has provided $260,000 in gains. At age 50, after 25 years, she has about $660,000. At age 55, after 30 years, she has about $1.1 million on $180,000 of contributions. This woman became a millionaire on $500 a month, and for the first 5 years it felt completely useless. If she had given up in year 3, she would have walked away from $1.1 million. Getting from 0 to $100,000 is the hardest part and takes about 10 years, but getting from 100,000 to 200,000 takes only 5 years. From 200,000 to 400,000 takes another 5 years, and from 400,000 to 1 million takes only 6 years, while the first $100,000 took 10 years to earn. The last $600,000 were earned in just 6 years. The curve does not just bend, it completely shatters your expectations. The way to survive these boring years is automation and simply identity. Automation removes the decision from you. Set up an automatic transfer for the day after your paycheck arrives. The money leaves your account before you see it. Identity asks the question, am I a person who invests? Every automatic transfer is a small vote for who you are. Now, consider someone who starts with $200. Someone who starts investing $200 a month at age 25 will have about $452,000 in 30 years. They contributed only $72,000 themselves. The market added $380,000. Someone who starts with $100 will have about $226,000 in 30 years, while contributing $36,000. The market added $190,000. $100 a month is only $3.33 a day. Money you can save by giving up one energy drink a day. So, the problem was never that you couldn't afford to invest. The problem was that no one showed you the math at the correct time horizon. That was it. Remember, compound interest also works against you. If you carry $6,500 in credit card debt at 22% interest and only make the minimum payment, the interest you will pay over 18 years will amount to $9,000. The same math works for you and against you. What makes the difference is financial literacy. That 47-cent increase is not what it used to be, and neither will yours be. You just have to start and survive the boring part, so that when the curve bends, you are still there. Enjoy the show, my friends, my sons, my daughters. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Invest.